Hi, I'm Shivangi Lomi. I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. I'm from Yashwantrao Chavan Law College, Pune, Maharashtra. My topic is decree. Section 2, subsection 2 of CPC 1908 defines the term decree. A decree always comes after a decision and is based on a decision. It is classified into 5 sorts, as opposed to judgment, which is definitive. It is possible for a decree to be final or preliminary. It's a formal pronouncement or adjudication that's final nature. Preliminary decrees, final decrees, and partly preliminary and partly final decrees are the 3 types of decrees. An order may be used to deliver a decree. The decree contains the court's decision and definitely specifies the parties' rights in relation to the topics in dispute in the case. The case is now closed because the plaintiff's rights have been vindicated. Kinds of decrees. According to Section 2, subsection 2 of CPC, decrees are divided into 3 categories. First one is preliminary decree. In general sense, the word preliminary means preparation for the main matter, initial, introductory, preparatory. In a legal sense, a preliminary decree is a decree where further proceedings have to take place before the suit can be completely disposed of. It decides the rights of the parties in respect to all or any of the matters of discussion, but it does not completely dispose of the suit. In such a decree, the rights and liabilities of the parties are stated, leaving the actual result or decision to be worked out in future proceedings. A preliminary decree is passed in those cases where the proceedings are to be carried out in 2 different stages. The first stage is when the rights of the parties are adjudicated, and the second stage is when those rights are implemented or executed. Final decree. In general sense, the word final means last, ultimate, conclusive or decisive. In legal sense, a final decree is a decree which completely disposes of the suit and settles all the questions in discussion between parties, and nothing is left further or deciding thereafter. It is only said to be final when such adjudication completely disposes of the suits. Third, partly preliminary and partly final decree. A decree is said to be partly preliminary and partly final when the court decides 2 questions by the same decree. For instance, if the court passes a decree in favor of one party along with the direction of inquiry for the other party, the former part of the decree is final, while the latter part is a preliminary decree for which further proceedings have to take place. For example, in a suit of possession of a property with company C, if the court passes a decree of possession of the property in favor of the plaintiff and directs an inquiry into the company C, then the former part of the decree is final decree, where the latter part is the preliminary decree. Contents of a decree. A decree always follows a judgment, coincides with it, and contains the suit's number. Every suit has a particular number and should be mentioned in the decree. The names, description, registered addresses of the parties. Every decree shall have the names of all the parties of that particular suit. The particulars of the parties' claims or defense. The relief or the remedy granted to the aggrieved party. The total amount of costs incurred in the suit, by whom or out of what property, and in what portions are they paid or to be paid. Judgment's date of pronouncement or delivery date of the judgment the decree should mention. The date on which the judgment was delivered, followed by the decree. The judge's signature on the decree is very essential. The signature of the judge delivering the judgment is essential requisite. So the conclusion is, the Code of Civil Procedure contains provisions for the court to pronounce and issue decisions, and one of them is a decree. A decree is a judicial ruling that decides the rights in dispute between the parties to a lawsuit. Preliminary, final, or partly preliminary and partly final decrees are all possible. Provisions and the method for carrying out the decree are laid out in Order 21 of the Code. Decree can be appealed, and following the initial appeal or second appeal to the High Court is possible. Only in civil cases, not in criminal cases, is a decree issued. This video doesn't solicit any types of promotion or advertisements as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purpose only. Please like, share and comment on my video, and do subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.